Bollywood actor and stand-up comedian Veer Das recently took to his social media and shared a horrific encounter that he faced on Sunday night. It so happened that the Go Goa Gone actor, who resides on the ground floor of his building, invited a neighbor over to have some food, and he claimed to have followed all social distancing rules. A veteran, however, was not very happy to see Veer, and he started yelling at him and blackmailing him and hurling abuses. Well, things got even worse after the man in the video even sneezed at Veer, especially during such times when the world is fighting a pandemic.
So please stay 6 feet away from me.
You're younger than my son.
So please stay 6 feet away from me.
Yeah. You said you put your mask first.
So I'm in my house.
This is your house is there.
So
Don't.
please stay 6 feet away from me.
Slap you. I'll call the police.
So if you touch
I'm
me,
73.
So please stay 6 feet away from me.
So you stay 6 away.
So
Get into your house.
Please stay 6 feet away from me.
I'll sneeze.
Are you doing that?
Yeah, I do it. Put your mask.
So please stay 6 feet away from me.
You don't tell me. I'm the owner of this place.
So you're not.
My parents produced me in this house.
That doesn't matter. So I rent this house. I pay rent.
Their ghosts, they slept, they died there. I held a hand.
So I pay rent for my
Where
house.
you sleep.
So I pay rent for my house.
They will haunt you, you know.
Sure.
They will haunt the same place they died. I held their hand.
So
I was born.
So that's great. I pay rent for this house.
In that house.
So I pay rent for this house.
Huh? You pay rent, I don't care.
So
my
sure.
parents died, they will haunt you.
So I'm not going to disrespect you.
Word.
You're sneezing at me, sir.
Your
It's a
driver
crime.
has a mask, you don't have.
Sir, I'm in my house.
No, you're outside your house.
So see, this is
No,
it.
no.
I have visual proof. So I will not move an inch. I'm right outside my own house. You cannot bully me. So you don't get to order me around.
No,
I'm sorry.
I'll order you. This is my fucking
So
property.
please stay 6 feet away from me.
You stay 6 feet, you get in.
Okay, I'm just going to be silent
Put
now.
your mask. I'm saying, please put your mask.
If you're a senior citizen and you're
72,
worried about your health, go upstairs to your own house. This is not your house.
This is my house.
It's not your house.
This is my house.
It's not your house.
My land. Your land.
So I rent.
So you think that your rent is inside.
So this is my doorstep. Here.
Yeah.
I'm on my doorstep.
Get on your doorstep.
I'm on my doorstep.
Hey,
Okay, I'm on my
now,
doorstep.
okay. Coming, it's coming.
Sure.
So you're drinking here and you're very... Huh?
Sure. So
No
I'm outside
mask,
my door.
nothing. Yeah. We'll show. Get your thrown from there in the paper. You can...
So you can do what you
believe
like.
us. My parents will haunt you every night.
Sure,
not
sir.
you.
Sure, sir.
We were born. They produced us there.
Sure, sir.
They died behind the hand.
So please stay away
And
from
you
me.
No, you stay. You get in.
Sir,
put your mask first.
I will
and
not
I'll
be
stay.
bullied by you, sir.
You put your mask first.
Sir, I will not be bullied by you on my own doorstep.
You're trying to believe
Sir.
73 years old.
Sir,
70
you're
all
you're
old.
the only one abusing. Nobody else is.
Yeah, because this is my house. Don't laugh. I'll bloody slap.
So you can assault me if you like. I won't even hit you back. Come on.
Yeah.
I won't even hit you
I am
back.
73 and you're 30 some odd.
Sir, I won't hit you back.
You're a bully, a whole garden.
Sir, I'll sit here all night if you like.
You sit.
Great.
In any case, whether you sleep, I don't know. Because our parents will haunt you.
Great.
The bed that you're sleeping, they died. I held a hand.
We have different
And
beds, sir.
100.
We have our own beds.
Huh?
We have our own beds.
That they will haunt you. Mark
Sure.
my word.
Sure.
Because I was produced in the house. I
Great,
lived.
sir.
I shat. I did. And you are living
shat?
there. And you
shat?
you're 70 years. You don't shit in your house. I shat in my house.
Okay, sir.
And you're sitting on the same pot.
Okay, sir.
And you're sleeping on the same bed my parents died.
That's great, sir. Your inheritance problems are not mine.
Bloody haunt you for bloody harassing us.
Great, sir.
And thinking you just come here a few months. You think you're a clown.
I think I'm a
And
clown.
You think you got the money.
Sir, clown is a huge compliment in my
No,
profession.
exactly.
Yeah, it's a great
I'm
compliment.
giving you that.
Are I'm a clown? Thank you.
In his note, Veer Das gave a detailed explanation of the incident and revealed that the man holds grudges against him because he stays in an apartment that the man wished to own but couldn't. In another tweet, Veer also revealed that the man stirred controversy in the past as well, and he had also involved the media.